run it through and let's discuss here. So this is the month of January. We know this is Earth. Here is our little comet friend. And it's whipping through. Getting a big reaction from our sun, which comets do.
I call
Steve,
them
I don't know. Could you tell me, sir, what this is? I'm going to
that's
stop
the
it
thing.
right
I'm
here.
gonna show you. I'm going to show you here in a second that on Solar System Scope and our astronomical tools and everything, we don't know what those two objects are.
All right, so let's let our viewers take a real good look at this. I'm going to stop it up. I want to try to get it right before it's eclipsing the Earth. We know what one of them is. Who is its little friend?
And then here's Enki coming in.
Look at that. And on cue, the sun's going to light up right where it is.
I wonder if that wasn't just the electrical discharge from that comet.
I think so. So here we have the mystery planet.
The one
I'm going to stop.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to try to get it, folks, as close as we can without losing it. Because, Steve, I think we have a real mystery here. All right, so let's look at Earth. Look what's happening to Earth. Earth is like... It's being... And completely, but Steve, here's the problem, sir. I don't know what that is. So I'm going to turn it over to you. I'm going to keep this up. Because, and look what's coming. The Earth is in, so our comet is right there. That's where our comet is.
That big tail that's been following the sun around.
So I don't know what this is. And Steve, please show our audience that we don't know either. So I'm going to turn it over to you.